na gukumenya yago korekana kira rituko nabariki baitu beandirite chingaki chance asengencho yao eyariganie asobotengari butari n'umubwekano. Eye Nensoko TV Oboroso Bumugusi. Mwanchumuligeli Nensoko TV nande ngo kwaligania SMS ito ya Amayia Chinsa Isano na ibiro mwanchumuligeli kitariki 3 mutinyo kabire mwaka bw'ikiri Ibere ne 25 ne mu mwanchumuligeli yasema mbia bono asomo gasobono ngo sabo kwa biro mwanchumuligeli tonyara kabato kumanya ayagendete gakorekana kurwa Chinsemo hagati yabo mwanchumuligeli nigo bono mu balozi bwense ya Iran mense ya Kenya anyare ko baga kurwa robot ya satebiringa ense ya Kenya tilichi kwenyora asomo chandoge ndreta sense meli ya Iran gekogera tilikubwaterana na sende yonsi asese geli agendreta sense meli muchumuligeli tiga tonyara ko batuko yaligani litukomanyi ayua sobikirano litaliane Innocent Onyango. Mwanchumulili tukochakana roboti rugo ichani asabantu batatu bakure kubwatekana no mubasuka no mubebwe bara sebare nene ya Nairobi kogenda Mombasa sense melia ya 35 mambia lero chiro libere nigo chatumana goika umulero mutindi boka.
Yeah, it is in between days time.
Mimi mwenyewe mama yangu nimemaliza mbariki babu yangu walisaidia baridi ilikuwa baridi ilikuwa hapo moto inakuja
Toka ganda bosio mwanchumulili botukini bwa chakiwe elikomanyege ntokeirete ndege yo mujumbe bwensemo ye bunge ya Emurwa Dikri Johana Ngeno nabantu bande batano kugwa na kubaita bonsi botukiogo ni oboraros abatukini go barusire bintu ebyatigara kurwa asendege yo nagoteba nigo baraira matuke 30 elio kurwa roboti rwabo.
The next steps that will follow include the following. One, we are obligated to issue a preliminary report within 30 days of an accident, and therefore next month around 28th the aircraft accident investigation department will be releasing a preliminary report that will give details in terms of circumstances that might have contributed to the occurrence in a preliminary format. We will be moving to ensure that all the parts are secured this evening.
And what we want to ask the public, to ask our leaders and everybody, it's not to, I think the team that is right, to tell Kenyan exactly what happens and the circumstances surrounding.
Mwanchumuligeli toko genda busio ni gobano gocho kumanyenga mo balozi wense ya Irani meyense ya Kenya Seliota Glamba Ali Glamba otebire segie egendrete imeyense ya Irani gatiyense ya Amerika na boigo ni gatebire chinse chi Amerika na Israel na chichi kubwate ni gone segie kurende gatebire nga ego arurugo saba kweli chikoliyense kurendwa na namona sanyara ko bagatebanga ni gobono mulembe bwente kwira na boigo ni gaenekeriyense ya Kenya buna ense ya Irani tego saga nense ya Kenya asenyenjo telikorwa abokonyi bonde bwensi bwesegi kochi asense ya Amerika Glamba niga yakwanira ya hase abisi yaye yo balozi ya Irani ime yo mucyo yo Nairobi.
Sorrowful moment in the history of my nation. I stand before you not only as the ambassador of the Islamic Republic of Iran to Kenya, but as a mourner alongside 90 million proud Iranians who have woke up 2 days ago to a nightmare that no nation should ever endure. In the early hours of Saturday, on the 10th day of the holy month of Ramadan, and on the threshold of Nowruz, our season of renewal, hope, and family, the United States of America and the Zionist regime of Israel launched a cowardly and coordinated military aggression against our homeland. Their warplanes and missiles violated the territorial integrity of the Islamic Republic of Iran, striking defensive infrastructure and non-military facilities in several of our cities. This is not merely an act of aggression. It is a flagrant violation of Article 2(4) of the Charter of the United Nations and a grave threat to international peace and security. In this same cowardly attack, the enemy sought to strike at the very heart and soul of the Iranian nation. I must inform you with a heavy heart and with tears that I cannot hide that our beloved leader, the guiding light of our revolution and the guardian of our unity, Ayatollah Sayyid Ali Khamenei, peace upon him, has been martyred. Yes, the supreme leader of the Islamic Revolution has fallen victim to this act of war. His Eminence has joined his righteous predecessor, Imam Khomeini, Quddus as-Sirru, and the countless martyrs of our nation's sacred path. Let me be absolutely clear. The enemies of Iran believed that by assassinating our leader, they would break our resolve. They thought that in removing the symbol of our resistance, they would cause the Iranian nation to falter. They were mistaken, as they have always been throughout our 40,000 years of history. The timing of this attack reveals the moral bankruptcy of the aggressors to strike during Ramadan, a month of peace, reflection, and prayer, and on the eve of Nowruz, when Iranian families prepare to welcome a new year, demonstrates that the United
Mchumulili togotigana noroboti urumba nigotoko genda bosia sumura ibwense America muske Donald Trump alireira yogochia kogenderera yobosaga ni mehense ya Iran bakubwaterana nense ya Israel goika ekero abarai bakubwataniwa n'uburayi bwenya gusira Al-Khamenei Ayatollah uyu onyarako bakose banyarako babirusiriya service sege yubono nigereri tukolia gatatu na nigo ya nekigo goita omurayi uyu Al-Khamenei Ayatollah n'abantu bande ba umubarobo otarayenekiwa.
Over the past 36 hours, the United States and its partners have launched Operation Epic Fury, one of the largest, most complex, most overwhelming military Revolutionary Guard. Now was announced that we knocked out 9 ships plus their naval building. The greatest and most powerful nation, so we can do something about what they do. These intolerable threats will not continue any longer.
Tokagenda busio Moske Fred Matiang'i osabire abarayi bonsi bali ase obomo bwa United Opposition gusikana nabo igogo twaro bwanchani egenta tebire nigo kira abakonye kogenda busio asobwamo na gutwara ekirenga ase nigaya kwanaya ase umusangiririkano bwebara oyo korekanita sensemo ye county ya Nyandarua na oyo kabiri mu waziri Justin Muturi nigonere aragire ebyara serikali y'omurayi bwense Dr. William Ruto asogosinywa korosia amabaga yemiremo gokia sabasai nigo bonsi baya kwanita ya senseme y'omwanchu mulili maiga yokurwa ase kanise yama abwase basasi metese county ya Nyandarua.
Vyama vyetu vyote tunataka tuungane, tuishi pamoja, tukomboe nchi. Ninawaomba tafadhali wananchi, wakati viongozi wa kazi kama hawa ambao tunadeal nao wana namna ya kugawanya wananchi na kuleta uhasama kati yetu. Wanaweza kusema wewe enda kando hii, wewe ni mtu wa DCP, wewe enda kando hii, wewe ni mtu wa Jubilee. Waambie sisi wote ni wamoja, tuko katika familia moja, tuko kwa boma moja na tunataka waondoke. Hiyo ndio nia yetu. Ama namna gani? Tumekubaliana namna hiyo?
Anatuambia ati anataka kutupeleka Singapore. Alituahidi kwamba atajenga factories za value addition ndio vijana wetu wapate kazi hapa nyumbani. Amejenga factory hata moja? Badala yake anatuambia vijana waende ng'ambo kule Russia wakauawe, na wakiuawa yeye ndiye analipo pesa. Wazazi wanauliza mpaka sasa, wanalia, wanauliza watoto wetu, ulikosa kuwapatia kazi hapa nyumbani, ukawapatia kazi kule ng'ambo. Ng'ambo sasa ni kuuawa na uawa, kwa sababu wanapelekwa kwa vita ambao hawajui ni ya nani. Hawajakuwa trend kupamba vita. Vijana wametoka hapa kufika kule, sasa pia kule kumeingia vita ingine. Wazazi wanauliza watoto wetu wale wako hapa Middle East watarudi wakiwa hai ama pia tutaletewa masanduku.
Munchumuligili totigalita ase county ya Nyandarua museneta bwe county yo aselieta John Methu nere nigasabire abamenyi bentigetunwa kia Mount Kenya gosegetunwa kigia Kenya komoko boko omoskeri gati gachawa buna baraibande bairwo koboko kurwa Chinsa mochia bukiri bakurwa nigobonega anyariko bakataibabe magega yo kumubwate siari gati gachawa eli anyariko bakakonyora libaga gochorwa koba murwanire bwo kurigia kirugo kyo buraibwense omwaka bw'ikiri 2022.
Tumezunguka tukakuwa huko Nakuru na wamesema kutoka hapa. Nataka niwaulize, kubaliana na mimi tupatiane kiongozi wetu aende kwa meza ya taifa, Mheshimiwa Rigathi Gachagua aende asimame kama mwanaume kamili, aombe kiti ya rais wa Jamhuri ya Kenya. Wapi watu wanakubaliana na hiyo maneno? Kwa hivyo wewe Mheshimiwa Rigathi Gachagua, kutoka hapa Nyandarua ambapo nimechaguliwa, tunataka tukuambie sisi kama jeshi yako, enda ngangana na wanaume wengine, enda ngangana na huyu Kalonzo, ukishindana na yeye ukimshinda sawa sawa, enda ngangana na Matiang'i, enda ngangana na huyu wa Malwa, mtu patia mtu.
Munchumulili chetre chitaike 11 Amayia Chinsa Isano na Ibere goikirabu na ikiro mweli we Amayia kurinde ngotenga na mangale busigati yabo no muraibwenso tebiri so chikire kiombe kia NTSA kinyare ko bagikubika chi camera jigurunga ji smart camera se chibara chons chinene eliko nyara ko baba kurigere lingangi kiriga korekana se chibara na namono gukura amaki aliya ko nyara ko baga koenanwa kuchiase abanyanyimbo bali balese chibara umwanchubuli na bukuru birengera byago ototebinga ekiombe kia NTSA kenyara ko bagikubika chi camera echo na namono mbanyara ko babago kuru muchando yo tokoteba bwa makiole se chibara nabo kunyara ko bagukuru birengera byago ase namba ito ya studio liere 0788666663 kerachiwe ikachinsa 10 oyogo chaga igo kurunga Daniel Omwaga na nanyara ko bagasomye birengera libyaga senchira yo wikirano nchengoro ku Innocent Onyango gotebigendera kubwate mirobili yito na namono nindo chega iga tol dingo chale na oya agotebera ninga ingikeli Shabana yaro chebusio wa FC Leopards.